Welcome to Introduction of Formulas. This series will be broken up into 4 videos. The first video will review formula definitions and operators. The second will cover the order of precedence. The third, we will actually be creating formulas. And the fourth is the fail handle. So let's go ahead and jump right on in. A formula is what makes a spreadsheet so powerful. It's almost like a type of programming, and we're going to go over Excel's formula-related features as well as techniques. So a formula is a simple mathematical statement in a cell. It always starts with an equal sign, and then the characters after the equal sign should be calculated. The value is the resulting number of that formula. For example, I said formulas always start with an equal sign, so there's the actual key on your keyboard that has the equal sign. And as you can see here with the screen capture, the formula in cell A5 is A1 plus A3. The value that is in cell A5 is 30. So what operators do we use in order to perform formulas? There are 4 primary operators that we will use to tell Excel what to do in a formula. Okay, so formulas always start with an equal sign, which is that key here. Then as you can see above the equal sign is the addition key. Then you've got subtraction, multiplication, as well as division. And note that the multiplication is the asterisk key, not the letter X, as well as division is the / here. If you use a 10 key, which is to the side of your keyboard, you can see the operators here, where we've got addition, subtraction, multiplication, which is above the 9 key, and division, which is above the 8 key. So we're going to go to Excel right now and go ahead and perform some operators. So if I make A5 my active cell, and I say equals A1 plus A3, you can see that the value is 30. Moving across our screen, if I say equals C1 minus C3, the value is -10. Now, if I continue to move to the right, and I make E5 our active cell, and I start it with equals E1 times E3, using the multiplication operator, you can now see that our value is 200. And in the final exercise of using our operators, we'll start the formula with an equal sign and do G1 divided by G3. And as you put in the operators in Excel, you can see that the color coding appears that shows you the various cells that are used in that formula to create the value that you want. Once I hit enter, I can see, and I go back up to cell G5, you can see that G5 contains the formula G1 divided by G3, and the value is 0.5.